Alright guys, hello YouTube. Alright guys, I haven't given you a tour in a while. Just gonna give you a quick tour. Not much has changed out here. Although my kids did fill up the wood cradles. Because you can't use your kids for slave labor. What else can you use them for? Ow. I reached in my pocket and I got stabbed by screws. Obviously, you know I've been doing stuff then. Oh, that was painful. But we are in southwestern Ontario, and this is the second night that we've had the wood stove going. I don't really need it right now. It's more just kind of wanted to get it going. And a comfort. I am dealing with some sort of brutal cold flu kind of type thing. So I'm happy with having the heat on because my wife is partially Dutch too. So we have no heat running in the house right now. But let's take you guys for the tour. So I did get the cleats. 1, 2, 3. I bought that board the other day. 12-foot board and cut 3 pieces out of it. Reason being, I installed a door at the top of this that I'll show you in a moment. Right up there. But my light's on a sensor. And it clicked off, and I walked down the stairs, forgetting the last 3 steps were missing, and split open my hand. That sucked. So I spent the money to get stairs. Look into what your neighbors are throwing out, guys. This was literally my next door neighbor was throwing out a door. This is a custom fit door. I had to cut it off at the top and the bottom. Not what I specifically wanted for here, but this will be a door that'll work for now. So, as you can see, I have to do a little framing it in. I'm sorry for the coughing, guys. As I said, still dealing with this horrible cold / flu / yep, I'm a smoker. But anyways, this door was free, so it's in there right now. And we've got some flooring done. Also, if we look down a few feet, on my trailer there's a huge stack of drywall. It is actually well over 2 feet high. It's about 2 foot 6 inches. Slightly under that. There is some 5/8 drywall and there is some 3/8 drywall. Predominantly, it is 1/2 inch drywall. Dang, this cough. What's going on there is a company in my area sold out to another guy, and he had a whole bunch of drywall partially damaged. Corners, scratches. Can't sell to the public. I'm going to be drywalling the ceiling in here, the walls, because drywall's cheap. It's not that it's the most secure, the safest, all these other things, but with putting another wood stove in here, which yes, I have another wood stove. I gotta lift it up with the tractor. That's why we've left this section open. We lift it up in the tractor and slide it over. Drywall is a great fire retardant. Wait, I'm in Canada. Am I allowed to say retardant? I don't know anymore. Hopefully the Liberals aren't in power in a few weeks and I can actually speak my mind. But once the drywall's in, oh, dang it. I'm sorry, guys. This cough is killing me. Not my trailer, guys. By the way. Dang cough. Just running a space out. But as I said, once I can get the wood stove in here, we're going to be bringing in some bunks for if buddies come over, they can just crash here. Middle of winter won't matter. Bring in some wood and they can just sleep here because I am a big proponent of no drunk driving or just being tired or just wanting to play the crash. I am so sorry, guys. You know what? I'm going to cut this short. Anyways, we are getting stuff done right here. And I'm really sorry for the coughing. Thanks for watching, guys. We got some more work to do. But again, thanks for watching. Really appreciate your support. Bye.